Hello everybody, today we're going to explore the topic of electricity and circuits. In this video we are going to discuss how electricity plays an important role in our daily lives, from powering our homes to our daily devices that we use at home. So I hope you are ready to dive into this exciting video with me and my fellow group members. We will demonstrate how to build a simple circuit by using recycled material. The goal of this video is to explain how the electricity flows throughout the circuit and what makes the circuit work, and why understanding a circuit is important for us to know. So in this video, we will be explaining the materials we need to build the circuit. We will show you how we build the circuit and demonstrate how it works. We will outline the key concepts of the circuit, like the element, the different functions of the elements are, and we will end off with the conclusion. So to get started, I will hand over to Dylan that will tell us what is needed to build a circuit.
Thank you, Josh. For our circuit, we use simple and recycled material. Let me show you what we have on our model board. A battery. This is our power source and provides the energy needed for electricity to flow. Wires. We used insulated wires in order to connect the components and create a path for the electricity. A light bulb. This is the load on our circuit and it lights up when electricity flows through it. A switch. This is used to open and close the circuit, allowing us to control when electricity flows. A baseboard. We mounted everything on a sturdy piece of cardboard to make it easy to display and understand. As you can see, everything here is affordable and made with recycled material. This makes it easy and accessible for anyone to try. Now Anthony will show us how our circuit works.
Okay, let's make a circuit. The positive end is going to stick to one of the ends of the light bulb of your choice. For our choice, we chose an LED light, so small. We make sure it's connected, make sure the copper touches copper, and copper is sealed. There we go. And now we have a negative end of the wire, which needs to be placed on our switch. Here we go, working. Since I've placed the light on, the electricity will immediately start flowing through here to the electricity. In the electricity, they are speaking, okay, now what's happening? Power. Now all the negatives that went in will change to positives to feed into the outlet to make the outlet work. So they go around a red line here all the way to the light bulb and enables electricity to flow from one end to the terminal, the negative end to the terminal, to make positive electrons, positive electricity flowing to the output and to enable that output. In this part it was enabling the light. For example, if I take this wire off, there's nothing in between these two wires here now. Will it still work if I switch it on? No, it doesn't, because the loop has been broken. That's how we make a circuit. It's fairly simple. Most of you guys will have what you need at home. Battery is something that can act as a switch. Copper wire is the only important one I think we need, because we need to connect the things, and we need a very small light bulb to make it shine, So, there we go.
We can see here more important things about circuits. So electricity flows in a circuit when a voltage source, such as a battery, produces a potential difference. This generates electrons from the negative to the positive terminal through a closed loop. As electrons move, they transfer energy to components such as bulbs or motors, enabling them to operate. In a simple circuit, electrons pass through a bulb's filament, heating it and producing light before returning to the battery. Electricity only flows if the circuit is complete, making a continuous path necessary for powering devices. Electricity flows in a circuit due to the flow of electrons, driven by a voltage source like a battery. The battery generates a potential difference with a negative terminal at higher potential and a negative terminal at a lower potential. When the circuit is complete, an electric field forms, releasing electrons through the wires and components. Electrons flow from the negative terminal to the negative terminal, transferring energy to devices such as light bulbs or motors. In a simple battery-powered circuit, electrons travel through the wire to the bulb's filament. The filament produces light before the electron returns to the battery's positive terminal, completing the circuit. Electricity only flows when a circuit is closed, providing a continuous loop for the energy transfer. This process enables everything from household appliances to large-scale industrial machines, all through the flow of small electrons in a circuit. I'm just going to send that over to Nikki Temba. Thank you.
Firstly, thank you, Brayton, for that. Now, wrapping up everything, we've shown you how to build a simple circuit using recycled materials, and we've demonstrated how it works. We've also explained the key concepts or the key components of a circuit, like your light bulbs, your wires, your battery and the switch. And we've discussed the important concepts such as conductors and insulators. This project also helps us understand how basic electricity works and how circuits power so many things in our lives. And lastly, we hope this presentation has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to build one of your own simple circuits at home and explore the amazing world of electricity. Thank you for watching.